Hi everyone. Well, this is going to be an exciting YouTube. I'm assuming you're wondering what in the world is Roy showing me and why is this boring to me. But I want to show you the Solidago Canadensis. I want to show you what happens to a plant without competition. I want to show you a plant that's opportunistic. This is Solidago Canadensis, and look at the rhizomes. This is in disturbed soil with no competition. The rhizomes freely move anywhere they want, doing anything they want, establishing a large colony. Well, how do you control this? One way is with competition from other plants. When you have adult plants in with large crowns, it minimizes these freewheeling rhizomes, you see, and they hit the established crown and they have to go around it and they have a hard time going through it. Another thing you can do to control Solidago Canadensis, this is what Tom Vanderpool told me. I truly miss Tom. He says Solidago Canadensis cannot handle fire. So when you mix in short bunch grasses or like a Schizachyrium scoparium and you have a fuel for a fire, the Schizachyrium and the fire inhibits the spread of Solidago Canadensis. So it's a way to get rid of Solidago Canadensis by having fire, establishing a fuel, and then the Schizachyrium will outcompete the rhizomes of the Solidago Canadensis. So if you're looking for a way to minimize Solidago Canadensis, one, you start pulling it, and two, establish a bunch grass like little blue stem and start burning. And if you have this in a bed that's highly, in a more adult bed, the Solidago will have a rougher time establishing because it has to compete with the adult plants. So it's an opportunistic plant. It comes in quickly and it's difficult to get rid of, but yet we can manage it through fire and through being aware of its competitive nature. So I hope this is more interesting than it was at the beginning. And if you have any comments, please hit the comment button, share it with me. And like I said, this is just a step. I'm sure there's many other ways we can outsmart competitive plants. But one is by providing competition. It's so important. All right, everybody. Thanks for this moment, and we'll see you soon. Bye.